What up, world? It's your homie Mag 357 Guns, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I make my detergent. I make my own detergent, yes, for my clothes, basically. And you can do the same. Actually, this is gonna be more powerful than anything that you could even think of. And let me get you some of the ingredients of it right now. So here's some of the things that you just throw into a tub or bag or whatever you need to do. I just threw it into this for right now for the mixing purposes. Now, what this is borax. Okay, it's a detergent booster. Okay, you need that. Any laundry soap, any laundry soap. I got this at Dollar Tree. It still works as good as better than Tide. Got this at Dollar Tree as well. This is a fragrance booster. Or you can use the Glade stuff, okay? The Glade Essentials or something like that. Those are the blue granules that you see in there, okay? Then, what you can use also is something with oxy, like an oxy cleaner, or oxygen, whatever, okay? So I got this at Dollar Tree. You're gonna keep this though. You're gonna keep this because that one little scoop, you gonna see that scoop in there? That one little small ass scoop is all you gonna need. I don't care what size of load you can come up with. Now, there's two different versions of this. See, color safe bleach. And I swear by this, it'll turn this whole mixture blue. That's how you know it's in there. So I make one that's regular and I make one that is bleach in it. Okay? This is all fresh and natural Arm & Hammer. Okay? Just pour all of that in there. Okay, and that's pretty much the base of your detergent. Okay, you can choose anything that you want, but the main things you need is going to be the oxy cleaner, baking soda, and borax. All right, and Zote soap. All right, you probably never seen this before in your life, and you want the pink one. All right. You can use the white one. It comes in a white and blue wrapper. But you really want the pink one. It says delicate, safe for clothes, and it cost me $2. I got this at the a local bait shop. You can fish with this. Put a little piece on a hook, and you can catch fish with it. Catfish at that. So what you want to do is take the Zote soap. Alright, take it out the wrapper. You want to take a little bit of it. I'm doing this with my left hand and I'm not even left-handed, so let's switch hands. Boom, switch hands. Okay, now we're going to get a good little cut on it. All the way down. Okay, boom. Now it's going to stick a little bit, and that's a good thing. Alright. And see those little 3 grooves right there? You're going to cut along the grooves. 1, 2, and 3. So you should have 4 equal washcloths. You'll go all the way down through the. You're going to use the whole bar. And what you want to do to make things speed up a little better, okay? I got a small grinder from Black & Decker. You can use whatever you want to use. That's what this looks like on the inside. You'll put at least put 4 in there. Now here's the kicker. See what I said you're gonna use this in a minute? Get this and get this and put that in there. What that is going to do is going to help in the grinding of this. So I'm gonna plug this up. Okay. So hold on 1 second. And let me plug this up. Alright, boom, we got it plugged up. I'm gonna hit this a couple times and hold it down. Don't go super crazy. because this stuff is very sticky. And when I found out you can put that in there, I found that out on my own. All right, now, boom, we're done. Give it a couple little taps. And you want to come back with this. Okay, can you see that? You see how it made it turn into little granules? And now you just want to simply pour that over there. See, boom, you got nothing in here now. I would show you the mess that it makes if you don't do it, but it's not worth it. And at the end of the day, this is what you want right here. This is really what you want throughout your whole mixture, is this. So, boom, at the end of the day, this is ready to go. Okay? You got a nothing but straight up mixture going on in there. So again, come back over here, get you a nice little block. You can cut it, boom. You can keep going. Keep going. See how it gets sticky? And you really just want to, like I said, it got the grooves in there. And you want to cut you about 4 amount. See how I'm using it as a guide? Boom. And see, it's got a piece. You can. Some people use a cheese grater, but you risk cutting yourself. And I'm not down with cutting myself. So I'm putting these in there, as you can see. Lay them in there. Now, again, take you some of this. Don't matter what it is. Take you some of it, a cup full. Just gonna pour it in there. Okay. This is when it hits. When it touches the detergent, touches the Zote, so it dries it up a little bit and makes it manageable. Give it some taps. You just don't want to let it go. You can, but what eventually is going to happen is you're going to heat it up. And you don't want to heat it up. You just want it to bounce and fall. All right. So give it a couple taps. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. See? Come back over here and drop that junk in. Now, right here, the color bleach, you can pour that in there if you want to, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is getting all of the Zote soap put in, and then I'm going to halfen it, and then put the bleach in half, okay? So I have 2 different halves. Now, I've already got some that's made, and it's done already, of each. I have 1 full tub of regular, I have 1 full tub of the Color Safe bleach. But like I said, you can put anything that you want as far as the detergent that you want to use. You can use Tide, you can use whatever brand you want. I'm just showing you my variation using the Dollar Tree stuff, okay? And no, I did not get the Borax, I did not get the baking soda, and I did not get the Zote soap from Dollar Tree. Just the detergent that they had, and their version of the Oxy Cleaner. You can use whatever you want to use, but you must have the Oxy Cleaner, the Zote soap, the Borax. Okay, that should be your base, and the baking soda should be your base. Okay, there's plenty of other videos out there to check out to show you how to make this exact same thing. This is homemade detergent. This is going to last me a year. Okay, I'm just mixing this up because I want to do a video about it. Okay, so the Borax is $4.95. Everything else is one. Baking soda was $3 something, and the other 3 ingredients were $1 a piece. Okay, and you getting way more out of this than you would buying a box of regular detergent. Okay, you're saving yourself a lot of money. And all you need is once it's done. Let's say it's done. See how I'm doing this? See how I'm doing this here? See how I'm doing this? At the end of the day, once you're done, the finished product should look just like this. And all you need is this. And I don't care how many clothes you put in there or whatever. It's gonna come out clean. It's gonna smell good because that all the fragrance booster, the oxy cleaner, the baking soda, all that stuff is a booster. It's gonna make so much suds it may knock your whole washer door up or something. You never know. Okay? But either way it goes, your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. And if you watch any of my videos past this moment, when it comes to those shoe reviews and shoe pickups, I'm going to show where I cleaned up all of my shoes using this exact soap mixture. Okay? So if I wanted to make the color bleach, I would just add the bleach to it. Okay? Now, let me just go ahead and show you what that looks like because you may not believe me, but it's super blue. It is super blue. And you would know the difference between the color safe bleach and just the regular. And it's kind of hard to open that junk, but we're going to open it. Don't worry about it. Okay. Let me get there. I have to use 2 hands.